when I quit my first job, I was one of the lowest paid people from my college, I'm assuming. Again, a very impractical move because I just was not liking it there. So बहुत सारे impractical steps लिए again for this very same reason.
Yeah.
You're just not liking the life which you're living. Once you have that filter कि mediocre काम नहीं करना, then you have to let go of a lot of opportunities. I never have been awestruck with the industry. I still am not. There are few people who I have been a big fan of. I was a fan of Hrithik Roshan when he started, and I think for a very long phase, that's it. So Dhurandhar is what's called a bold storytelling, not in the sense of the theme, but breaking the rules. Aditya sir showed a rally in Pakistan जहाँ पे English rap चल रहा है पीछे.
Correct.
So he broke all the laws, and that's a bold storytelling.
इम्तियाज अली की ऐसी कौन सी फिल्म है जो आपको छू गई?
Tamasha.
Yeah, see?
Crazy.
Yeah.
When Rockstar came, Rockstar, but when Tamasha came, it leveled up.
Yeah. हम जैसे जर्नलिस्ट के लिए अमरीश वर्मा इज लाइक, ओ माय गॉड, हम यूट्यूब पे डालेंगे और 1000 लोग आएंगे आपको देखने की. तो क्या आपको पता है कि आपकी फैन फॉलोइंग इतनी सॉलिड है ऑनलाइन?
In terms of numbers बहुत ज्यादा नहीं होगी, है ना? In terms of people wanting to see something, the intensity of desire is high. The volume might not be. Hi, I am Amrish Verma, and you're watching me on Filmy Beat with Hesha.
Hello everyone, welcome to Filmy Beat. This is Hesha Chima, and joining me yet again for a conversation is Amrish Verma, and I'm super happy to talk to him. क्योंकि हम अकेले बात कर रहे हैं, तो मैं आपका और दिमाग खा सकती हूँ. Hi Amrish, welcome.
Thank you. About looking forward, मैं तो देख रहा हूँ कि what questions did we, मतलब क्या बच गया था उस दिन.
सभी बात कर ली थी ना.
Yeah, let's see.
बट बड़ा मजा आया था.
मुझे टाइम कम था.
बट आई जस्ट हैव टू से कि सपने वर्सेस एवरीवन जब सीजन 1 भी आउट हुआ था, और उसके बाद जब मैंने सीजन 2 में इंटरव्यू किया, सीजन 1 में इंटरव्यू नहीं किया था मैंने आपका. तो मैंने स्टोरी डाली मेरे इंस्टाग्राम पे, and I have to put this out there. I've had at least 10 to 12 people who say ये best show था season 1, ये best show था, we're looking forward to season 2. I have screenshots and I'm going to attach it, and I'm also going to show it to you. क्योंकि excitement season 2 की बहुत ज्यादा है. आज जिस दिन हम बात कर रहे हैं, it's out there for everybody to watch. And आप कर रहे हैं इंटरव्यू हमारे साथ. Oh my God, क्या चल रहा है दिमाग में? Like too many things going on.
Yeah, so of course एक basic थोड़ा सा skepticism तो होता है यार. How will it be received? But honestly, अच्छी चीज ये होती है कि the process of having done it right, अगर आप अपनी तरफ से सब कर देते हैं ना, तो there is also a feeling of satisfaction that this is the best I could, and if I've already done that, if it gets received well, great, which meant my best was what worked. If it does not, then it means you have to up your game. So yeah, but you would always want it to do well यार, क्योंकि इतनी मेहनत है. It's like 15-16 months of your life, which is like what, अगर आप बोले आप एक एक्टिव लाइफ आपकी 30-40 साल है काम करने की, ऑलमोस्ट 3 से 5% ऑफ योर लाइफ है वो. तो अगर किसी चीज में लगी है तो ऑब्वियसली यू वांटेड टू डू गुड फॉर योरसेल्फ एंड एवरीवन हु बिकेम पार्ट ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट. सो यार आप तो चाहते हैं अच्छा करें, लेकिन I think हर कहानी की अपनी एक डेस्टिनी है. I hope it does well.
और पता है क्या होता है, अक्सर जब पहला शो इतना ज्यादा अच्छा कर लेता है और जब दूसरा इतने बड़े स्ट्रीमिंग प्लेटफॉर्म पे आता है सेकंड सीजन, तब वो एक सॉर्ट ऑफ प्रेशर बढ़ जाता है ऊपर ही, एंड देन एक्सपेक्टेशन भी बढ़ जाती है बिकॉज पीपल आर रियली राइडिंग ऑन यू. एंड आई हैव टू से दिस, मैं अमरीश को इंटरव्यू के पहले भी बोल रही थी कि यूट्यूब पे योर नेम इज लाइक अ कीवर्ड, यू नो. तो हम जैसे जर्नलिस्ट के लिए अमरीश वर्मा इज लाइक, ओ माय गॉड, हम यूट्यूब पे डालेंगे और 1000 लोग आएंगे आपको देखने की. तो क्या आपको पता है कि आपकी फैन फॉलोइंग इतनी सॉलिड है ऑनलाइन? सच बोलना, झूठ नहीं बोलना.
आई थिंक मुझे लगता है इन टर्म्स ऑफ नंबर्स बहुत ज्यादा नहीं होगी, है ना. इन टर्म्स ऑफ people wanting to see something, the intensity of desire is high. The volume might not be, because कम आता है, कभी आता है. I think that's the reason.
क्यों आपको ऐसे लगता है कि कम काम और कभी आता है? Like why is it?
क्योंकि यार one thing which I personally am very strongly against is mediocre work. तो once you have that filter कि mediocre काम नहीं करना, then you have to let go of a lot of opportunities. And also if you have to make something good, then it takes time. And that's the reason कि हर 1.5 साल 2 साल में is something which I am able to put out.
Okay. मुझे बताओ अमरीश, जितना मैं जानती हूँ आपकी शायद ग्रोथ दिल्ली एनसीआर में हुई है।
Yeah, Gurgaon.
पूरा सब कुछ वहीं
Gurgaon, Delhi and college, मतलब
सब
दिल्ली
कुछ।
में था, स्कूल दिल्ली में था।
तो अब वहाँ के दोस्तों से क्या आप टच में हो अभी भी?
वो absolute.
फुल ऑन राइट?
हाँ, मतलब मेरे majority group is
दिल्ली से ही, वहीं से। तो अब जब ये वाला ग्रुप जो उस वाले अमरीश को जानता है, बिफोर ही बिकेम दी अमरीश, बिफोर वो फेमस बन गया, एक ऑनलाइन सेंसेशन बन गया, वो दोस्त जब आपका काम देखते हैं अभी, क्योंकि वो एक्चुअली आपको रियल फीडबैक देते होंगे, राइट? जो कुछ लोग होते हैं जो आपको यहाँ सिर पे चढ़ा देते हैं, बट जो आपके एक्चुअल सगे दोस्त होते हैं वो आपको सीधा बता देते हैं कि असलियत क्या है। आपकी इक्वेशन उनसे कैसी है, और जब वो आपका कोई काम देखते हैं तो आपको एग्जैक्टली क्या आके बोलते हैं, और कितना मैटर करता है उनका फीडबैक?
यार आई थिंक मेरे फ्रेंड्स ने मुझे बहुत हाइप किया है ऑल माय लाइफ, and that's a big reason. Actually, my friends have shaped my personality like anything. So for example, जैसे the basic lack of insecurity, आपके ना peers से आती है वाली feeling when you see everyone in your group is vying against each other, or holding back stuff. I was so lucky to have these few people around me. School में भी है ना, like मेरे 3 top friends हैं, Gagan, Gautam and Vishu, and we've been so tight, and these people are so genuine and so secure. So, and they've always hyped me like anything. They still do it to the day. तो उनके साथ कुछ change नहीं हुआ, rather I feel happy for them that because they were vouching for me, they would feel that अरे we did it for the right person.
हाँ, और मैं पता है ना, वो दिल्ली बॉम्बे टशन तो चलती रहती है, बट अगर कोई दिल्ली वाला आके ऐसे उखाड़ देना बॉम्बे, वो भी बॉलीवुड में, लाइक फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में, तो लाइक इट्स अ डिफरेंट सेंस ऑफ प्राइड। आई हैव फैमिली इन दिल्ली, तो मुझे पता है कि वो मुझे मेरा इंटरव्यू 4 बार लगा के देखेंगे। मैंने कहा मैं हीरोइन बनी नहीं हूँ, मैं सिर्फ एक जर्नलिस्ट हूँ, बट इट्स अ गुड फील, इट्स अ गुड वाइब, दे रियली लाइक पेप यू अप, राइट? बट क्या उन्हें हमेशा से आपके ड्रीम के बारे में पता था? बिकॉज यू लेफ्ट अ फुल फ्लेज्ड कॉर्पोरेट सिक्योर जॉब, जहाँ पे हमें पता है कि जब 30 तारीख को ढासू मोटा पैकेज सैलरी अकाउंट में आता है और लाइक हाँ ठीक है जो हुआ देखा जाएगा, बट वो सब छोड़ के पैशन प्रोजेक्ट पे काम करना, who knew it first? Did your friends know it first? Did it come to you instinctly? कि क्या था ये प्रोसेस, क्या था? Let me in on it.
So see, मतलब उनको पता था यार, because I was into the process of acting or dancing, so they were aware I have this, मतलब I like these things. The decision of leaving it was very personal, obviously. वो in consultation किसी के साथ नहीं था, because one, it was a very impractical decision. So वो no one can convince you for that. It's an inner conviction. जैसे कुछ लोग ना मेरे से last couple of years, because I took this leap, पूछते हैं कि यार अम्बी मैं नौकरी छोड़ दूँ, है ना? And I tell them that if you are asking me that question, then you're not ready for it.
Yeah.
Because if you were ready for it, you would not have been asking anyone. And even if people convince you against it, you will not be convinced. So वो बहुत personal decision था, but they backed me like anything, always. My school friends, college के मेरे कुछ दोस्त हैं. So when I was out of it, they still backed me. And was it instinctive? No. It was actually instinctive. It was an instinct building over 3-4 years. जब मेरी MBA खत्म हुई, मैं पहली जॉब में आया. And I was disillusioned by the fact what a corporate job. पहले तो होता है आप इंजीनियरिंग करते हैं, पहली जॉब में जाते हैं, फिर अब तो नहीं कुछ और कर लूंगा तो शायद सॉर्ट हो जाएगा, फिर आप MBA करते हैं, अब MBA वाली जॉब लगी तो लाइफ सॉर्ट हो जाएगी, फिर MBA वाली जॉब भी कर ली, and then you realize all options are exhausted. तो then I realized कि यार ये मजा नहीं आ रहा, वो मजा नहीं आ रहा went on for good 3 years, and then I realized this cannot be life, and if I have to take a move, now is the time. And then in 2019 I quit my job.
Wow, crazy. क्योंकि पता है ये मजे के चक्कर में ऐसा कई बार होता है कि हम चीजें करना चाहते हैं for our benefit, but then sometimes there are also regrets. And then sometimes you're so victorious out of it, क्योंकि लोग कुछ भी बोले, अगर आपने वो victory achieve कर ली, then you're like, listen, I did it, you know, that kind of feeling comes in. अभी भी एक ऐसा फेज है where आपने अपने स्टार्ट में ही बोला that it's difficult to really get that multiple number of projects, right? But where do you see yourself right now? Like, are you still as determined जब आप तब थे, जब सब कुछ छोड़ा था, कि अब ये ऊपर नीचे मैं थोड़ा थक गए हूँ, क्या है?
In what sense?
Sometimes you get demotivated also, right? Like, is this really going to work? क्या मैं ये pursue करूँ कि मैं छोड़ दूँ? क्या thought है अभी आपका?
Yeah, so there is no reason to leave it. The only reason for me to leave it would be, और मुझे वो भी clear है what that reason would be, is when I'm feeling that in pursuit of what I'm wanting, I'm becoming someone who I am not liking. Like in my head, this person who's talking back to me, I'm not liking him. And when I feel now it's gone too far, then I leave it.
Right.
You know? Otherwise, there is no reason for me to leave it.
Wow.
तो एक constant tug of war है. फिर कई बार ये आते हैं. Should you start behaving like other actors? Should you start, having a temper? Should you start behaving a certain way? Should you have 5 people always surrounding you? There is a constant tug of war. It's a hard battle to fight. I fight it. And I wish I keep fighting it. And I stay the same person who started on this journey. So see, same person का ये मतलब नहीं है कि you will mature. आपका exposure बढ़ेगा. You'll get a better understanding of the world. Have that understanding, but the core should not change.
Correct.
You shouldn't become a different person in that person. When I say different, like all the bad stuff, the insecurities, the bitterness, the resentment. So yeah, जब तक वो नहीं है तो फिर there is, why should I stop?
आपने बहुत beautiful चीज अभी कही है कि एक है, there is a entourage of an actor. It's a legit thing. Okay, like there is a PR team, there's a styling team, there's a makeup team. I'm not saying any of it is wrong, but there are hell lot of actors who don't just rely on that. मतलब मैं कितने ऐसे पर्सनल एक्टर्स को पर्सनली भी जानती हूँ जो PR में इतना ड्रिवन नहीं है, बट उनका काम बहुत ज्यादा बात करता है. एंड एट द सेम टाइम देयर आर सम PR स्टोरीज व्हिच आर वेरी सक्सेसफुल आल्सो. तो आप कभी नहीं कह सकते कि ये सही है या वो गलत है. बट क्या आप कभी देख रहे हो अपने आप, मतलब where do you see yourself between public relations specifically as an actor?
So
important तो है आप मानो.
Oh, absolutely. I'll tell you what. Good work is something which you can do.
Correct.
You should do. आप बुरा काम करोगे, आप you do whatever. कितना ही PR कर लो, nothing would matter. My learning from season 1 was because it lacked a certain amount of marketing. Not for any particular reason, because वो show एक certain constraint में बना था. Whoever watched it loved the show, but still it had a ceiling. The amount of spread जो उसका हुआ, organic हुआ. And I realized, do great work, but at the same time make sure that work reaches more people. And there is nothing bad about it. I'll tell you what's bad in PR. मैं वो भी बताता हूँ. I was discussing with my team, मेरी उनसे बात हो रही थी that what is the stuff we want to do when we want to talk about the show. I wanted that anyways. I think Prime will do their own bit of PR. TVF will push the show. But this time around, I felt I too should push the show on my own behalf. That why should I not? It's my baby.
Correct.
Things which I did not want to do, again for the very same reason जो भी थोड़ी देर पहले बात कर रहे थे, that the person in the head is something you should respect. तो बहुत सारी चीजें डिस्कस होती हैं. जैसे एक there is a route where आपके शो का कोई सीन है, it's spread. That's a right thing. Do that. If it's a great scene, let more people see it so that they come back to the show.
Correct.
Now I'll go a level below where there are inorganic comments on the videos. Doing that's a no-go for me.
Yeah.
Where you're wanting people to come and talk good about you. My job is to, here is something I've made. Please see it. This is what PR is doing for me. Please see it, please see it. I'm telling more and more people to see it. But now if I'm telling them what to say, that's where it's going wrong.
Yeah.
आप समझ रहे हैं? That's in a bad taste.
True.
That applies to having fake followers. Same thing.
Yeah.
If you're on Insta and someone says that post more stuff, that's a good way of doing it. Do collabs. Work with so that you get seen. Now this day you start buying fake followers. These are all fake followers, planted comments, planted reviews are a sign of dishonesty, which will eventually reflect in your life as well. If you're okay being dishonest about a comment under your video, you will be dishonest about a lot of things in your life.
Yeah.
So work is an extension of that. आप समझ रहे हैं ना?
बिल्कुल.
And आपका conscience नहीं मानता, मतलब you do. If someone is saying मुझे अपने काम का PR नहीं करना, you are missing a very big checkbox in your work.
Correct.
You have to market. You have to go tell people, see it, but do it the right way. There are ethics of doing it right, and this is one of them. Again, like pulling other people down to elevate
कुछ
yourself
ऊपर
up.
करने
है ना?
के लिए, yeah.
बहुत होता है फिर it's started a lot.
हाँ.
That's in bad taste.
True. Yeah. आपने जो भी कहा है वो एक्चुअल अवेयरनेस अब लोगों को है.
Yeah.
लाइक इनिशियली बहुत सारे आई थिंक द पीपल इन द इंडस्ट्री उनको पता था कि ये सब चल रहा है, बट जो देख रहे थे उनको बहुत नॉर्मल लग रहा था. बट आई थिंक ऑडियंसेस इतनी शार्प और डेवलप्ड हो चुकी है कि अभी उनको एग्जैक्टली पता है. और अगर वो ऐसा
बट वो छोटा फ्रैक्शन है.
हाँ
10% पकड़ लेते हैं बेचारे, जो 90% है ना
वो
they fall for it.
yeah
बढ़िया है, go on.
they do. No, I agree
They
also.
fall for it.
They do.
भाई उसने how do you put it? The ratings वाली चीज हो गई चाहे, है ना?
थिएटर में लोग गिर गए आईवी ड्रिप्स लगा के.
Exactly.
मतलब ये ऐसे एंटी ग्रेविटी ड्रिप कैसे लग रही थी? मतलब मेरे खानदान में सारे डॉक्टर्स हैं, मैं खुद कंफ्यूज थी ये क्या हो रहा है.
So 10 out of 100 people would catch it, 90 would not. But
ठीक है, this is what it is, you know. You know, Amrish, you are an actor and a director. ठीक है, आप दोनों हो. मुझे आपसे ये जानना है, ऐसा कौन सा एक्टर है जिसे आपको डायरेक्ट करना है, जो अंदर का डायरेक्टर एकदम खुजली हो रही है उसको करने के लिए, और ऐसा कौन सा डायरेक्टर है जिसके साथ आपको काम करना है एज एन एक्टर?
या सो जिसे डायरेक्ट करना है, यार ऐसा ना कोई विश लिस्ट नहीं है. आई नेवर हैव बीन ऑस्ट्रक with the industry. I still am not. There are few people who I have been a big fan of. I was a fan of Hrithik Roshan when he started, and I think for a very long phase, that's it. I was just a fan of him.
Fan of Hrithik Roshan.
For a decade and even longer. Do I want to direct him? मैं डायरेक्टर ही बहुत recently ये जर्नी डायरेक्टर की स्टार्ट हुई, तो डायरेक्टर के अराउंड ना ड्रीम्स नहीं है.
डायरेक्टर के सपने होने चाहिए
बट अभी नहीं है ना. And similarly, whom would I want to be
directed
as, मतलब who would, as an actor?
हाँ जी.
I think Imtiaz Ali has had a very strong influence. How he does the dreaminess, the romantic dreaminess of his stuff. It's phenomenal. And also anyone new age, anyone who comes in who has hardcore conviction in what he's saying, and is doing something phenomenal. Yeah, why not also like the new people?
पता है, अभी जब आपने इम्तियाज अली की बात की, मेरे दिमाग में वो पर्टिकुलर सीन आया रणबीर कपूर का, जब वो ऑटो पायलट में चल रहा है तमाशा में, और वो सब छोड़ छाड़ के he wants to be a performer on stage, you know. I don't know, somehow that flash just came of you know, you could probably be that in a corporate company. सब ऑटो पायलट में चल रहा है, ये क्या हो रहा है मेरे साथ, and amongst सब like करके फट गए आप. Yeah, that is such a relatable film and a film so ahead of its time.
उस टाइम मैंने I think I did so मैं जैसे जब MBA से निकला, MDI से, I was first 2-3 people to get placed. So एक pre-placement offer होता है, जो first year get में मिल जाता है. MBA 2 साल की होती है. So I got a pre-placement offer from Times of India, and I had a decent salary. I'll not say the higher end of the spectrum, but हाँ, somewhat top quarter of, like well paid. And when I made a move, when I quit my first job, I was one of the lowest paid people from my college, I'm assuming. Again, a very impractical move because I just was not liking it there. So बहुत सारे impractical steps लिए again for this very same reason.
Yeah.
You're just not liking this the life which you're living.
हाँ.
So
इम्तियाज अली की ऐसी कौन सी फिल्म है जो आपको छू गई?
Tamasha.
Yeah. See?
Crazy.
Yeah.
When Rockstar came, but when Tamasha came, it leveled up.
Yeah. I feel तमाशा एक ऐसी फिल्म है जो मैं भी लूप पे देखती हूँ, because it's so relatable in every possible way, right? You know, as a director, कभी-कभी क्या हो जाता है, especially सपने versus everyone में, you're doing a bit of both, right? चलो एक्टर को तो अपने पर्टिकुलर रोल्स और सीन के लिए फुल कंट्रोल होना चाहिए, बट एज अ डायरेक्टर यू आर नॉट जस्ट कंट्रोलिंग योर पार्ट बट एवरी अदर थिंग दैट्स हैपनिंग अराउंड यू, राइट? देन आप कैसे बैलेंस करते हो? वो स्विच ऑन स्विच ऑफ कैसे होता है फ्रॉम एन एक्टर टू अ डायरेक्टर एंड वाइस वर्सा?
यार वो स्विच इजी इसलिए बिकॉज यू रिटन इट. So because you spend those 6 months with that character, you know him inside out.
Yeah.
तो ना वो switch करना बहुत easy हो जाता है ना. मतलब here you are a director and here you are an actor, it becomes easier. Is it the best way possible? Absolutely not. आप as an actor indulge नहीं कर पाते यार. I would want to do that, and that's the reason I also The plan is to do, of course, malab, storytelling is a love, I'll not leave that. But to do solo stuff purely as an actor, the reason being, you want to indulge. आप समझ रहे हैं मैं क्या कहना चाह रहा हूँ? There should be time where you're just in your vanity, invested in a certain mindset.
Yeah.
Then you get called on set, you stay in that zone, and when they say action, then you go for it. वो मैं नहीं कर पाता. I miss that, but do I regret that? No. And by the virtue of writing, direction और acting मेरे लिए थोड़ी easy हो जाती है दोनों.
आपके कंटेंट को देख के अमरीश, ऐसा क्या है जो लोग आपकी पर्सनालिटी के बारे में मिसअंडरस्टैंड करते हैं? क्योंकि आपका कंटेंट वर्सेस यू, टू डिफरेंट पीपल. या
I think people assume me to be too rowdy.
जो ये बिल्कुल भी नहीं है.
Yeah. So I have that aggression, but I vent it very differently. And one thing which I would want to say, like I don't know, there is some romanticism to my character smoking, because a lot of characters have liked, especially anime में Spike Spiegel है, Porco Rosso है, these people smoke. So ना वो romanticism मुझे एक feel होता है when the character smokes. So all my characters smoke, and I end up smoking a lot on the show. Otherwise I don't.
Oh.
So वो मुझे लगता है कि यार आप थोड़ा सा कुछ गलत मैसेज दे रहे हैं. Which again, what do you do? वो on screen लगता cool है, but it's not again a right habit. ऐसा भी नहीं है कि मैं inculcate करना चाह रहा हूँ कि do it.
Yeah. Wow, what a good misconception you've cleared. मतलब क्या एक्टर होंगे जो एक्चुअली स्मोक करते नहीं हो, लेकिन स्मोक टीवी पे कर रहे हो या ऑनलाइन कर रहे हो तो बिलीव हो रहा है लोगों को क्या
exactly and you make it look so cool, तो कई बार गिल्ट भी आता है. But वो वही वाला ट्रेड ऑफ है यार. I think at some point in time I should be bold enough and confident enough कि my content or the story I'm saying, my character is generally so cool he doesn't need a cigarette to look cooler. Abhi maybe that's a crutch I use to make them look cooler.
Okay. Are you like good with other things of acting? Like how good are you as a dancer? How good are you as like, I don't know, like tell me a few things which you feel like यार ये मैं better कर सकता हूँ और ये मुझे करना है क्योंकि ये मेरी hidden talent है, लेकिन लोगों ने भी देखी.
Yeah, dance is that. I was a part of the dance crew in college. Rocking Fit-Arts हमारे ग्रुप का नाम था. I was in also Shamak Dawar Special Potential Batch में I got selected.
अरे
मैंने join नहीं किया था और यार dancing is something I've done for long. फिर हमारे office में एक dance event था, I won that.
तो मतलब ये कला है जिससे हमें और explore करनी है.
मुझे भी करनी चाहिए. My friends, this is something which my friends say a lot, that why don't you dance?
Yeah.
But it's been years and I want to start that.
You know why I thought ये dancing वाला part, क्योंकि आपने कहा ऋतिक रोशन.
Yeah.
And I was like, ऋतिक रोशन, मतलब there could be some dance connection to that because he's such a phenomenal dancer. मतलब सालों साल हो गए, मुझे नहीं लगता उनसे better कोई dancer.
He did not like he did not elevate it by 10-20%.
Yeah.
He just started a new game altogether. That this is dancing and then this is dancing.
हाँ, क्योंकि उसके पहले तो हम क्या ही देख रहे थे.
Yeah.
और फिर उनके बाद जो हम देख रहे हैं वो मतलब everybody wants to be like a super dancer like him.
Few steps which he's done, I think no one has been able to imitate. कुछ steps हैं उनके.
हाँ.
एक रंद पुष्पमाल में there is a step which he does where he crosses his legs and he turns.
Yeah.
है ना? No. वो step मैंने आज तक किसी को करते हुए नहीं देखा भाई. He's phenomenal.
Is there an actor जिसकी जर्नी को आप बहुत लंबे टाइम से फॉलो कर रहे हो और आपके लिए वो एक somewhere down the line एक मोटिवेशन रहा है to keep going, you know, in your low days?
Yeah, see, as an actor, मेरे को इरफान सर बहुत पसंद है ना. Also because I'm so new in this field and I never held this dream till let's say 2018 that I want to be in this field.
Yeah.
So I've never had. I have role models outside our field actually.
Okay. जैसे कि?
So these are the people who've done great in their life, but who also जैसे ना ambition के साथ ना एक dark personality बहुत attached होती है. That the most ambitious people, most successful people have a broken something inside them.
Yeah.
Which makes you inclined to be act a little broken or be okay with, you know, not be well behaved and da. So I'll give you a few examples. जिनके मैं मतलब आई एम अ क्रेजी फैन. चार्ली मंगर, okay, he was a partner with Warren Buffett. There is a guy called Michael J. Singer. He's written a few books. I discovered him through the books. Phenomenal guy. So he has a few books. There is a book called The Untethered Soul. I started following him post that. Phenomenal guy again. Super successful billionaire, but hardcore spiritual guy. Somehow all these people are people who are happy people and who are people with hardcore virtues.
Yeah.
Richard Feynman, he was a physicist, but look, you hear him talk about stuff and you just fall in love with him. He's not alive anymore. Okay. Who else? Warren Buffett also, like, very sorted. Ray Bradbury is a writer. When he talks about writing, you just feel this. It's the positivity, the optimism around the fact of being a writer and the field of writing. And all of these people, what they have in common is they never compromised on the right things. Yeah. So these are my role models.
Wow.
And if someone is not happy, I just don't make them my role model. Even if they are the most successful, but in their life, if they're miserable, then I make sure I pick only select things from their life. I just don't want to model my life around them.
Right.
And very few actors and very few creators I've seen who feel very sorted. Yeah.
Is there, I am very excited to know this, Abhi, because understanding, and I've seen it on your Instagram also, and I believe you're an avid book reader. You know,
Yeah.
so I want to know now. Books तो चलो एक बात होती है, but what kind of content do you like to consume? आप क्या देखते हो?
यार मैं देखता बहुत कम हूँ, बहुत ज़्यादा कम. And if I see something, I see it on repeat then. And I wait for very hardcore word of mouth from people to come in where they vouch for something. And it's a kind of content which I feel कि मजा आएगा. Somehow themes of aspiration I end up liking. I like Whiplash a lot. I like Birdman a lot. These are my top 2-3 films. I like Tamasha का हमारा discussion already हो गया है. There is a documentary on Michael Jordan, The Last Dance. वो documentary है, but कई बार मैंने वो documentary loop पे देखी है. Documentary watching on loop is a thing. But कई बार वो देख के ऐसा उसका after taste इतना अच्छा है. तो आप I think 10 एपिसोड है, 8 एपिसोड है, आई थिंक 10 है. आप खत्म करते हो, then you start watching it again. So these stories of aspiration, I think either fiction, non-fiction, so mostly those.
Okay. और ऐसे particularly Hindi language में, is there something that you recently watched and you loved it?
हिंदी लैंग्वेज में recently क्या देखा है? मैं बहुत कम देखता हूँ.
धुरंधर देखी? वो तो सबसे recent थी. वो तो मतलब कैसी लगी?
Yeah, it's something which मेरी उसके बाद अपनी टीम वालों से बात भी हुई. So Dhurandhar is what's called a bold storytelling, not in the sense of the theme, but breaking the rules.
Yeah.
Where so मेरी ना कई बार ऐसे म्यूजिक का डिस्कशन होता था शो पे, हम लिख रहे होते थे तो कोई बोलता था यार अमरीश यार हरियाणवी गाना क्यों चल रहा है यहाँ पे, इट्स अ हिंदी शो, और यार इंग्लिश गाना नहीं चलना चाहिए. आदित्य सर showed a rally in Pakistan जहाँ पे English rap चल रहा है पीछे.
Correct.
So he broke all the laws, and that's a bold storytelling. He is not a purist. And I've met him a couple of times, and yeah, it's a thing, and this is what I've picked from that.
Music in your show also is amazing.
Yeah.
I have to say it. Season 2 में भी बड़ा मजा आया. मतलब I think अगर किसी भी चीज का BGM धांसू होता है ना, तो automatically mood बन जाता है.
That's Akash has done the BGM for the show. Akash Mukherjee. Yeah, solid guy, crazy guy. And he's done the BGM for all my shows.
Wow, it's a vibe.
Yeah.
You know, I feel like I don't know, मतलब मेरे पीछे भी अगर मेरा sad day चल रहा है और अगर कोई ऐसे धांसू का गाना बज जाए, I'm suddenly in my mood. You know, मैं element में आ जाती हूँ कि please.
True.
तो imagine आप set पे हो और you know आपका character और किरदार है, and then you know this is somehow it must be playing in the back of your head also ना कि ये बजने वाला है. Are you aware of the music that was in the show when you have your entries, when you have your scenes, and if there is music, did you know prior? Oh,
I had reference music. Eventually, all of it changed.
Changed.
Like raps थे, but वो reference थे. That's a reference which I write on the script, reference में लिख देता हूँ for Akash to then pick on and work.
Yeah.
बहुत बार वो reference follow करता है, बहुत बार नहीं भी करता. References play करते हैं, but not the exact track.
Okay. Okay, tell me something. What's harder? Okay, is it hard to make people laugh in 30 seconds or holding their attention for 30 minutes on screen?
Holding their attention for 30 minutes, absolutely, yeah.
Much more harder, ना? I think हम short format content में भी वो easy हो जाता है.
Absolutely.
But otherwise, holding attention for 30 minutes gets really crazy. I'm going to have some fun questions, okay, with this. Tell me, reels versus long format content. What is Amrish's pick?
Long form. Reels is I feel it's a new modern day vice which actually you should aim to fight with. You should like fight it with the amount of effort you put into fight smoking or vaping or drinking. It's as bad.
Okay. Virality or consistency? What would Amrish pick?
Consistency.
But don't you think कि पहले एक viral moment आएगा फिर consistent हो जाता है? मतलब I don't know, I'm asking.
Virality is a good tool for the work to spread, but you can't. And one, there is no rule to virality, so there is no point chasing it. आप समझ रहे हैं ना?
हाँ जी.
You can't plan virality.
Correct. और I think content creators usually अभी उसी के पीछे ज़्यादा भाग रहे हैं.
That's where they fall flat.
Yeah, true. Correct.
Once you try to hack it, you already missed the point.
Okay. Money versus creative freedom. Amrish क्या choose करें?
Creative freedom any day.
हाँ. बहुत पैसा है क्या आपके पास?
बहुत पैसा नहीं है, but I've let go of a lot of money to choose projects where I get to do what I want to do, and I'm happier because money के अराउंड कुछ ऐसे aspirations है नहीं यार जो money will fulfill. And एक बड़ी अच्छी saying यार, at the end of life you run out of time, not you don't run out of money. ऐसा कभी टाइम नहीं आएगा कि मैं 70 साल का हूँ अरे पैसा खत्म हो गया अब क्या करूँ. पैसा रहता है, टाइम खत्म हो जाता है. So
okay. Fame versus privacy. Because अब झूंझ रहे हो ना बीच में इसके.
या फेम के भी कुछ बेनिफिट्स हैं अपने, है ना? फेम, so if fame is helping you do the work you want to do the way you want to do, then you utilize fame on those places. And but you need a private life भाई. आप private life में private life क्या होती है? Private life is you going on a journey somewhere alone, reading some books, meeting some people, living a life, picking from there and coming and then telling people something worth telling. यही तो है मतलब. But you need that time.
Yeah.
If you are always amongst people, when do you go on that journey to pick something to then bring it and tell it to people? आप समझ रहे हैं ना?
Right. So it has to be a balance. More so. Okay. एक ऐसा collab जिसके लिए आप सब कुछ drop कर दोगे.
सब कुछ ड्रॉप कर दोगे भी जा रहा है.
मतलब 5-6 चीजें हो रही होगी आपके साथ, बट एक ये ढासू सा प्रोजेक्ट और कोलैबोरेशन आ गया, you would be okay to let go of the other things for that collab.
See, how do you say that? See, abhi currently my aim is to, I don't know if you'll call it a collab, but so when you say collab, like who am I working with?
हाँ जी, मतलब कोई ऐसा, okay, let's reframe this.
Yeah.
Okay, कुछ ऐसा प्रोजेक्ट या कोई ऐसा काम, you know, किसी पर्टिकुलर पर्सन के साथ, could be anybody, डायरेक्टर, प्रोड्यूसर, राइटर, एक्टर, जिसके लिए मतलब it's like your wish list और बाकी आप सब छोड़ दोगे उस एक चीज के लिए.
I think last 2-3 years, a couple of people I've been very strongly influenced with. One was Sandeep Wanga Reddy, and then of late Aditya sir, Aditya Dar sir.
हाँ जी.
And for the only reason, and this could be someone else also, it could be someone new also, because I'm taking these names because
हम अब की बात कर रहे हैं.
है ना?
हाँ.
Because anyone who is super invested, so because I have been on the other side of the camp, it's lacking like anything. जो एक कैसे बोला जाए, skin in the game होता है ना, that I'll do anything for this project. People just come, people take their invoice, people go back home.
Right.
The amount of talk people talk about how much this project means to them and what have they done. People don't even do 50% of that.
Right.
You know what it actually means to literally have that project run your life for that phase of time. And these are few people have seen that. Like when Sandeep Wanga Reddy was defending Animal, I was I was not seeing the fact that is his philosophy right or wrong.
Correct.
I was feeling that he's taking on fight with people to defend what he has done because he would have spent his life 3 years on that.
Yeah, basically what he's created.
Yeah. So then you see here is someone with skin in the game, and I want to work with these people because तब आपको पता है कि whatever comes out will be something good.
Okay. Between Prashant and Jimmy, whose journey felt more personal this time?
This time?
Yeah.
Personal तो यार प्रशांत की है. जिमी का थोड़ा सा. So Jimmy की imagined, like it's all imagined. Like if I put myself in Jimmy's shoes, what Jimmy does, I would have done. And it's not that I'm writing it for the sake of writing it. But Prashant, the stuff he's done is something which I have actually done in my life at times. So yeah, obviously that's more personal.
पता है शो की अगर मैं बात करूं, मुझे आपसे ये भी पूछना है, ऐसा क्या है जो ज्यादा लोगों को आपके हिसाब से पसंद आता है? लाइक डू ऑडियंसेस लाइक डिलेड ग्रेटिफिकेशन मोर देन इंस्टेंट ग्रेटिफिकेशन? डू यू थिंक एक माइंडसेट बन चुका है? क्योंकि अक्सर ऐसा होता है ना कि आसानी से मिल जाने वाली चीज को हम उतना सीरियसली नहीं लेते हैं, बट अगर हम किसी का मतलब खून पसीना होते देख ले और अगर उसको मिल जाए, उतना शिद्दत से किसी पाने की चीज करे वो मिल जाए.
As a plot आप बोल रहे हैं?
As a plot, yeah, as a story I'm saying. I don't want to give too much out there, so I'm trying to give ऊपर से. So I feel personally ऐसा होता है that people like delayed gratification more, you know, इसीलिए audience
people like watching that, you see.
Yes. Do you also
एक balance है उसका story telling में. You delay it, but you don't delay it long enough for people to get bored and leave it.
Correct.
है ना? This is a writing tip. Delay it obviously. है ना? Maybe give them smaller wins. है ना? But अगर आप किसी के साथ आप if you'll make the audience wait too long, a lot of times they just then they give up.
Okay.
Yeah.
Lastly, before I let you go, Amrish, I really want to know because हमने आपका, जैसे मैंने कहा, आपका content और आपके real life perspectives, there is a center point, but as people you're very different, right? I want to know in today's day and age where love, relationships, everything is looked at so differently, Amrish का क्या point of view? Because you and I are millennials, you know, we both believe in old school love, but I want to know, has that changed for you over time, or what's your idea of love? Yeah.
It's a very impractical thing. If you love, you fall in love, you just fall in love. And also there comes a time in your life when you, unless you're super lucky, that you never fall for the right reasons when you're young.
That's
एक time के बाद आपको पता चलता है क्या जरूरी चीजें. If you're lucky, then the shallow stuff you fell for, the important stuff was already there in that partner. And it's so, you should not be practical in love is what I feel. It's stupid to be practical because it's a very important. So a very smart person has said that there are 3 biggest decisions you make in your life: what you do, where you stay, who you stay with. So these are called the big 3 decisions of your life. Because अच्छा because पे नहीं जाते. This will drive the quality of your life like anything. So put the practical things aside. If you are falling in love for whatever reasons, how they make them feel, how they are as a person, don't worry about the background. Don't worry about the financial stability. Don't worry about the. ये थोड़ा tricky हो जाता है क्योंकि इंडिया में few things like caste, religion, they hold a certain space. And I feel इतनी important चीज़ है उसमें ये वाले filters लग के ना और आप मुश्किल हो जाते हैं बेचारे. People who are looking for a partner in life becomes even more difficult. वैसे it's so hard to find the right person. Then there is a filter, especially in India, of caste, religion, I think if you can choose to not have that filter, even better.
Will we ever see you write a full-fledged love story?
Yeah, absolutely.
है ना? मुझे ऐसा लगा कि अपनी personal life से कुछ inspire होके आप कुछ लिख सकते हो कभी ना कभी, because you've taken so much from your writing feels very personal. I have to say that, you know, in some way or the other. Of course, I do understand it's a lot of fiction, but किधर ना किधर when you have that little personal touch, I think it becomes relatable.
Yeah, absolutely.
Hence, I asked you कि हम कभी कोई love story देखेंगे?
Absolutely. Yeah. There is a lot. अभी तक वो हुआ नहीं, ऑर्गेनिकली नहीं आया कि there is an opportunity for me to write something in romance genre. But absolutely. I feel I have a lot to say in that aspect.
Amazing. Filal, Sapne versus Everyone season 2 is out there for everyone to watch.
Yeah.
I'm one of those lucky few people who've had a chance to see it.
You already seen it.
Yes, I know.
पूरा
So,
3 episodes.
3 episodes, yeah. So today I'm going to urge everyone to go and watch it as well, along with you, Amrish. Thank you so much for your time. It's
Thank
always
you, sir.
lovely chatting with
Yeah, बहुत मजा आया.
you. Thank you so much.